para sa akin, no?
She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes.
Yes!
She can ruin your face.
Talagang pagkakainom.
And she always reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always the one to be. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she never believe. She take you, give her as long as it's free. She steals like a thief, but she's always the one to be.
Stop ka, bakit mag-topic? Si Dana nag-review.
Lakad na kaya kami dito. Ito nga yung utang pa nga.
Binibidyoan ka eh. Binibidyoan ka kanina pa eh.
Talaga lang.
Never gives up.
Ayun ba niya?
She never gives in. She just changes her mind.
Noon lang nakita ko lang. Oy, balik ka na. Noon lang nakita sa'yo.
And she carelessly cuts you and laugh while you're bleeding.
Happy birthday!
But she'll bring you the best and the worst you can be. Lay it all on yourself, cause she's always the one to be.
Ayos, papatikim. Ikaw na, ikaw na.
Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. And and she never gives up. And she never gives in.
Talaga naman.
She just changes her mind.
Ay, dahil yung ano daw, yung
She's frequently kind and she's suddenly cool. And she can do what she pleases.
Ayan, ang tawag niya, border side. Border
And
side.
she can border house.
Border house.
Musne, sorry.
Boarding house. Boarding house.
Doon ako nakatira sa boarding house.
Porter house. Balihin yung house ng mga porter ng truck.
Pero dapat muna.
Porter house.
Kala mo,
Porter yung mga...
house ng Akari Porter.